Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm just going to be sieving some soil that I've taken off the side of my borders here, just down here, and then up down here, just down there as well. So I've ended up with all these grass shrubs now. What I'm going to do is using this sieve here that I got from a local DIY garden centre. Yeah, it's probably 5 or 10 mils thickness. You get my little stool to sit on. I'll do this. I'll stay there. And all we're doing is using this plant pot here. Using this plant pot just to catch the soil in, and use my basket next to it just to get the stones out of. So it's nice and dry this. It'll take some time this, but it's like with it being grass for all these years, it's not been sieved at all this. Probably in 30-40 years. Bit of good. This way I can be left with my grass and its roots, and I'll put these in some bin liners with some water, tie a knot in them, leave them for 6 to 8 weeks, and even this will rot down. I can put that back on. Looking really good. Right, so anything small that goes through is fine. That'll just help with drainage. Hope everybody's keeping alright. Just want to discuss, somebody's talking to me about gardening and mental health. That's the reason I started gardening. I suffer with depression and anxiety, and to be able to get up and do something every day is a real help when it comes to anxiety and depression. You're motivated. I want to get up, especially when I'm growing seedlings, get up, see how they're getting on, look after them. It's really, really good, that sort of thing. It makes you motivated, it gives you, like I said, something to do, which is brilliant. Because without that, I just used to stop in bed all day, to be quite honest, and it's a terrible thing. But as soon as you start sowing your first seeds, and especially when you see the first sign of growth, it's amazing. Well, I find it's a truly amazing feeling watching Mother Nature. I get so happy. And then as you look after them all the way through, right up to the first flowers, it is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And like I said, all I started off with years ago is just a couple of trays, cost me probably £5 or £6, and some annuals. Started off with some poppets. It was absolutely amazing watching them grow. And the more I got into it, the more I enjoyed it, and the more it helped. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more you do, the better you feel. It's really good. And as you start developing, you start growing more things, you start getting a little bit better at it. And then even in the winter now with my greenhouse there, I'm growing stuff all year now, which is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. I'll probably do some videos in the autumn. I'll sow some perennials for next year. I've ordered some poppy seeds from Hungarian Blue or Persian Blue from Thompson Morgan. I've also ordered some, what have I ordered now? Some apricot shades, new improved variety, and they're ready to plant begonias. Just want to take a look at this, look at the difference in that now. That is really good. Compost now, soil, sorry. Just do a little bit more. Like I said, I think this was £5 or £6, and I've had it several years. As long as you don't leave it outside, it'll last you. And this here, what I do with this is put some water in there and just let it dissolve, and then any clumps of soil will break down, and I'll just be left with the stones then when I've drained that off. Yeah. rid of the grass chunk. Look at this, you can see these dandelions, look at that. That's why you can never get rid of them. Look at the roots on that, all the bits that have snapped off there will grow back. The worm that can go back in the garden. Let's get this one to do. So yeah, depression, anxiety, I cannot recommend it enough. Like I said, to start off, growing some stuff on your windowsill, some like herbs, cut and come again, kitchen windowsill. And then as you progress, you can just gradually grow more and more things. If anybody's got any questions about anything on my gardening channel, please don't hesitate to ask for us. I'll try and help as much as I can. And here we go, this is just all sorts I've done myself. And look at that, it's really good quality soil now. All I'm going to do with this now is just spread it out here. That's all you need to do. Spread it between the plants. Any bare soil, get it on there. So let's get this chucked on there, that's it. Get that spread out, look at the difference. So yeah, that's basically that. This is my garden soil, my grass sods. Thank you very much for watching everybody, and please enjoy. Thank you, bye.